Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Gamma in Minecraft TLauncher. First, you'll need to find your Minecraft installation folder. This is where all your game files are stored. Adjusting Gamma helps improve visibility in dark areas, making it easier to explore caves or navigate at night without relying solely on torches. This simple change can significantly enhance your gameplay experience. Once you've located your Minecraft folder, look for a file named Options.txt. Open this file using a basic text editor like Notepad. Inside, you'll find various game settings. Scroll down until you see the line that says Gamma 1, 0. This specific line is what we'll be modifying to adjust your game's brightness level. Now, to increase your Gamma, change the 1, 0 in the Gamma 1, 0 line to a higher number. A common and effective value is 10, 0, but you can experiment. Higher numbers mean a brighter game. After making this change, it's crucial to save the Options.txt file before closing it. This ensures your new setting is applied. With the file saved, close the text editor and launch Minecraft TLauncher. Start your game and you should immediately notice a significant increase in brightness, especially in darker areas. If the brightness isn't quite what you expected, you can always go back to the Options.txt file and adjust the Gamma value again until it's perfect for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.